Hello friends, I am Balaji and today I am going to explain you about the modified Rankine cycle. Modified Rankine cycle is a work producing cycle and it is used in the steam turbine power plant. To know about this modified Rankine cycle, we have to know the four major components, that is the pump, boiler, turbine and condenser. Friends, here I am showing the PV diagram, TS diagram and HS diagram so that you can understand easily. And why it is named as modified Rankine cycle, why it is not named as Rankine cycle, I will tell you. If I show you the TS diagram, it is named as modified Rankine cycle because this part, if it is a Rankine cycle, then this part will be not there. To increase the overall efficiency, we have increased the temperature and it is called as superheating and termed as modified Rankine cycle at a constant pressure with increasing in enthalpy. Coming to the PV diagram, this one is work done by the pump, this one is the work done by the boiler, and here it is work done by the turbine, and this one is the work done by the condenser. In boiler, heat addition takes place and in condenser, heat rejection takes place at the constant pressure. In pump, pressure is increases with increasing in temperature and with increasing in enthalpy with constant entropy. Friends, this one is a theoretical way to express it. When work done by the turbine, the pressure will decrease with a decreasing in temperature and as well as with a decreasing in enthalpy at constant isentropic process. Entropy is being constant. If we go for TS diagram, this one is entire process is a boiler from 4 to 1 dash. Here 4 to 5 is a sensible heating and 5 to 1 is a latent heat and 1 to 1 dash is a superheating. In latent heat condition, there will be no temperature will increase. In this case, latent heat temperature will remains constant. In superheat, temperature will increase, and this is the make difference between the Rankine and modified Rankine cycle. As this one is a modified Rankine cycle, that's why superheat process is there. If it is not modified Rankine cycle, then the process will stop here only. That is, the process will stop at this vapor point only, saturated vapor line only, curve only, and then the work done by the turbine takes place. But this one is a superheated to do the more work done so that more output can be achieved, so we have used as a modified Rankine cycle. So overview of the modified Rankine cycle. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Bye bye.